Oh, my dog's sort of friendly. Can they meet?
No, we're just gonna stick to ourselves today.
Oh, I can respect that.
Yeah. Good to see you.
You too. Maybe I'll see you tomorrow with a different dog.
You probably will. Good boys.
Nice work with him.
Nice to see you.
You too.
Bye.
Bye.
Things are about to get interesting. Good. Yeah. Where's the potty? Where's the potty? There you go. There you go. What about that one? Good.
So guys, I love how even on break, Reyk understands he can't just approach a strange dog. These two dogs have never met. So when your dog is having free time, just remember there still are some rules. He can't just run up to this strange dog he sees, and that goes for any situation anywhere. It will never be okay to run up to a strange dog. Unless you want to see a fight.
Out. 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 Good dog.
Or a strange
good
person
dog,
like me.
Good dog. Good boy. Good boy. Recky, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Nice. Good boy. Good boy. Nice. Good boy. Good boy. Break. Break. Good boy. Good boy. Break. Good boy. Good boy. Break. Nice. Good. Break. Good. Break. Good. It was resulting in him body checking me because that's what he does to his previous owner. When they're like chest bump, you know, they're like, yeah.
I love this.
That's his association to his leader. I'm correcting it. I'm telling him when you're close to me, you need to drop down with the energy real quick. Break. Good. So he's kind of keeping a bubble around me. Very good. Bye-bye. Well, I'm going to walk up the road. If you want to walk down there, and we'll do another pass by with the dogs free.
Bye. Good boy.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you guys?
We're doing good. Just taking a little potty break and
What a beautiful
walk around
dog.
the neighborhood.